Question 1. The graph shows the average height of girls in the UK from age 6 to 11 years. And this line is representing the average height. If you're above the line, you're above average. If you're below the line, you're below average. If you're on the line, you are average. It says, Emily is 1.38 metres tall. She is the average height for her age. How old is she? Well, the first thing to notice is that her height is given as 1.38 metres, whereas height up the side of the graph is given in centimetres. So this is in metres, this is in centimetres. So we need to turn this into centimetres so we can use it on the graph. So 1.38 metres, remember there's 100 centimetres in a metre. So 1 metre would be 100 and the 0.38 is going to be the 38. So it's 138 centimetres. What we can do now is go back to the graph. Now we know that she's 138 centimetres. We can find 138 centimetres. So this is 135, 140, so 136, 137, 138 would be here. So this, we're just going to mark 138. Now what we need to do now we've got 138, is very carefully, using a ruler, draw a line from 138 all the way across the average height line. As soon as you hit the average height line, you need to draw a line straight down. And where you get to when you draw a line straight down is the age that we're interested in. And we've hit bang on 10 years old. So this is the answer we need to write in the answer box. For the second part of the question, it says Zoe is 9.5 years old. She is also 1.38 metres tall, so she's also 138 centimetres tall. How much taller than average is she? Well, if we go back to the graph, we were told that she was 9.5. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to find 9.5. Well, here's 9, here's 10, so 9.5 is halfway between. She's there. We're going to draw a line up to this line here. Now, if she was average, she would be on that line. And the point on that line is level with here, 135 centimetres. So if she was average, she would be 135 centimetres. But she's not average. She continues on to 138 because it tells us that she is also 1.38 metres. So, if she was average, she would be 135 at the age of 9.5, but she's above average, she's 138. So these are the two numbers we're interested in. So, the average height for her age is 135 centimetres. So how much taller than average is she? Well, all we need to do is find the gap between 135 and 138, which is a simple 3 centimetres. And that's the two answers.